I pay my homage to the Almighty who has given us this very beautiful day. And I say my respect and love to my teachers. Along with, I have just remembered my great-grandfather, great-grandmother, as well as my grandfather and my grandmother, and my father, my mother, and my husband, who have almost left this world for the heavenly abode. I am very much thankful to them for giving me such a beautiful day. It's actually, I haven't dreamed of such a very nice day. I'm very much thankful to my teachers, my students who have voluntarily come out the stage and just giving their performances very nicely. It is beyond my expectation that they have done very nicely. But apart from the extra co-curricular activities, actually, though I am the last one who is going to speak, I could not express what I felt in my mind in the beginning of the function. But those who have been over here, I request my teachers and my students to pay attention to their studies so that in the coming ICSLC exam, I really hope that some of our students will be in the flying colors. I see some words in Manipuri also. Asigi function si da mutai sobai na hanna na thagsari soi da ngam da na yam da phajaba performance kara satra singi maki de gi amadi oza singi maki de gi so phajaba tam dai na ishor go asukki mati thagsari loina na layo kraba ai gi pai pusi sing na har bada mafam basigi mapu ebiramba ai great grandfather Shri Nahuma Musim Mahaki Wenabi Abu Puren, as well as a grandfather, grandmother, Layo Krabayi, Pa Imamadi, school founder, Birumba, I get him. Punamak Sigit Hozaldagi, Mani Sogit Hozaldagi, Masia, Amna Pasava performance, Kara, Mia Manga, Satasuna, was asking no people with a Manga. I really thank them again and again. I know what Kuzu Hanan Kurumzani. When I was asking the Haji, we are the second parents of the students. In fact, we have very less time of teaching them. This time I am very, very happy that I have actually handed over everything to my youngest daughter, Sanjana Nomikapa. And now I am simply a teacher. But in the year 1979, I was in Taintoch just after my graduation doing my MA as well as LLB. I taught class 5 up to class 8 mathematics. Now I have got a very golden chance of teaching mathematics in class 5, 6, 7 and 8. So I'll give the foundation, surely, I promise, I'll give the foundation, and those who are going to be in class 9 and 10, they will be very easy on their part to impart the knowledge of mathematics as well as English. This is from the core of my heart that I'll try my level best, though I am a bit old. I am now 65, going to be completed on the 7th of this October. Still then, I have both the very courage and energy to teach in the classroom. I can compete the younger teachers, so that we'll compete ourselves, so that our students will be in the flying color. And another thing is that actually my daughters, though they have been in different, say, schools, in their free time, they have come as guest teachers. And for mathematics and science, we need not worry about the teachers. They all MS in physics, MS in mathematics, and MBA, so many are here. They can help our students in the best way as far as possible. And I am just mentioning my daughter Lucy, who sang very nicely. She is our, say, senior student.
That means though she had studied in our school since the pre-nursery class up to class 12. And she was our typist. She typed all the questions. She could do very well. And she could sing, she could dance. In every field now, even in the education department also, she is doing very well. And I'm very much proud of my daughter. And another one, this time I'm very sorry that I didn't invite, I think so. Because Mr. Subhadra Elambam, my son, I should say, actually, he is the one who passed out from here also, Lucy's younger brother. Now he is an officer in Judicial Academy without a single paisa. Now she is a gadget officer now. And I hope they all bring laurels to our school. The same thing will happen by our students who are studying now. I do hope that class 6 students, they can do very well this time, and even class 5 also. So I hope that the school will be in the, just competing other schools very easily. Many of our students are IS officers, some are in America, some in England. So we need not worry about the number. Very few members are there, but they will be of man of quality. Quality is more important than quantity. This is not the number game. We try to produce good students who can do something in the society. This is what I believe, that our school will be just heading up and we can do better in future. Thank you all.